So, let's just see where we are here. Okay, I got 3 minutes. I'm going to take 2 questions. Let's go. Sir.
You know, I have to say, with all you've been talking about, and having been involved with Apollo, the real thing to crack the nut is will and leadership. Mm-hmm. Because this is absolutely doable. It was doable in the 70s. What you just described there, that last view, Apollo applications, was virtually that kind of thing. We were going to land space trucks, space storage vehicles, habitats. Mm-hmm. The process was already in work, and then it just disappeared. And even with that energy and people knowing what Apollo was, it disappeared. So how do we get that?
Well, I think you're exactly right. In other words, Apollo applications was a very practical approach to establishing a moon base and a Mars base, because it was building on a concrete set of mission-driven hardware. Okay, and once again, we didn't get to the moon because of various constituencies who had supported a random set of programs, and the leaders of those programs met by accident in the cafeteria of Marshall Space Flight Center in 1963 and said, you know, with your Saturn V and my command module and his lunar excursion module, if you put these things together, we could go to the moon. I never saw that. No, instead we had a plan for a moon mission. From the plan came, well, before we had a mission, which was go to the moon. From that came a plan. From the plan came designs for workable vehicles. And from those came the selection of what technologies we need to develop. As opposed to, we got all these people working on interesting technologies. How can we create a plan that uses all of it? There you go. Next question.
So the other destination in the solar system besides Mars seems to be the asteroids.
Yes.
Right, we want to go there to mine. So how does your plan get us... So how does your plan help us get to asteroid mining as opposed to the giant Battlestar Galactica ship?
Well, for example, if you look at this, if you had here that booster and that HAB module with the aeroshell, then you've got an asteroid mission. You could throw the thing on a direct trajectory to an asteroid and use that as your house while you're in the neighborhood, and then you come back to Earth and re-enter and land. In other words, yes, this hardware set enables both. The Battlestar Galactica is a path to nowhere. It's, what can I say? It is not a mission, it is a vision. This is a set of hardware that gives us the moon and Mars, gives us the near-Earth asteroids as well. So once again, this is our mission. Our mission is to have a space program that actually goes somewhere. Okay, we're paying for this thing. It did remarkable things in the 60s because it was mission-driven. Okay, it had a mission. It had a mission which was not primarily scientific. It was to astound the world with what free people can do. Right now, it's astounding the world with what free people can't do. That needs to be changed, and that's our mission. Let's change that. Thank you.